What's going on, you beautiful, sexy people behind the screen? Today, I wanted to just take some time. Usually my videos are a bit more hyped. Obviously, when it gets late at night, it's like 10 p.m. here. I get a bit tired from all day's work. But basically, I just want to update everyone on the store. Today, we dealt with ad issues again with credit cards. Whole mess, but they're up and running again. It's like I can never have a fucking day, a high spending day without any issues. But again, we just keep fixing them, and then eventually there will be no more gaps, right? But today we ended around $4,000 in sales, and I'm probably gonna just scale the hell out of this product for the next week because it's Black Friday. Just take advantage, because obviously for the people who've been watching me and have been updated on the store, I was saying how the product quality is not the best and blah blah blah. But to be honest, just take advantage. It's printing, so just take advantage, and then all the problems we'll deal with later, if there's any, to be honest, right? But yeah, and we're also looking at other products. I already have like a few products that I could test, but right now I'm just trying to just scale this product, making like different creatives, and really just trying to put all into it. I want to show you how much we've made in the last. Why is it today? We're the 25th, right? How come I can't click on the 25th? Hold on, maybe. Sorry that this is unedited. I want to show you what I've made so far from this product, basically. 25th. We launched the 13th and it's the 25th. So it's been about a week and a half, maybe close to 2 weeks. And we're sitting around $25,000 in sales. I'll probably have a screenshot here because it's a bit better, blah, 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 whatever. But I passed my records. I did this like in a month. That was like my best, but now I did this like under 2 weeks. And it's been life-changing. And I kind of wanted to take this video to kind of make someone, maybe they're just first starting, or maybe they're just like putting the work in, and they put in a lot of work, but they haven't seen results and they're frustrated. And I want to tell you right now that, look, I'm nowhere near my goals. Like, I have very high expectations for myself, and the money I'm making, the influence I have is nowhere close to what I will have in the future. But but I wanted to take a kind of like a good moment to realize, like, bro, like where I've came from so far. Like, you have to understand, for some people this number is nothing to them, but like I was getting zero sales, spending thousands of dollars for over almost a year. Heck, even just this community. I used to live stream by myself. Like, no one was watching me. I had under 1,000 subscribers, and I would live stream. And even though that no one would be there, and even though that I knew no one would come, or probably the only people would come would be my friends that are supporting me, I'd still live stream. I'd get no views for who knows how long. I would record daily for who knows how long. The people around me, the amount of shit talking they've talked to me, the amount of times where they say what I'm doing is not good, it's not worth it, it's bad. And I just kept pushing. And now starting to see little results. Like, they're like, oh, like they're kind of like turning their heads and like, oh shit, like, whoa. It's like, it's different now. But I remember, like, I just remember that I started from nothing, let's say, just like a lot of you, and I put in almost 2 years of work with nothing. no results day in and day out. And I would just, even when I was managing school and work, I'd still come here on my desk every single fucking day and just try. And look, I don't feel like I've made such huge success where it's like people are in awe. But I know for some of you, like, it's motivating. And that's my goal for you today, is to understand that I just started. Whether you're deciding on starting e-com or even other business models, or just even posting on YouTube, or basically anything, any fitness journey or any goal you have, it literally just, it's all about just starting and understanding that the path that you're about to go through, you're going to probably get no results for such a long time, but you just got to keep pushing. You just got to keep pushing through, showing up every single fucking day. I hate that a lot of people push out there that it's easy. Oh, bro, it's so easy to make money online, bro. Oh, if you're not making 10K a month, you're gay. Like, what the fuck is that? What is that advice? That's so stupid. That is so fucking stupid. Because I love the way everything's unfolding for me. I didn't get anything quick and easy. I didn't hit some like $1 million crypto. I didn't hit some one viral video. I didn't hit some one viral product. Everything was slow for me. Everything is steadily slowing growth, but because I believe that that's the best way. Because this, instead of just fucking skyrocketing up, usually it crashes right down after. But for me, I'm building skills. I'm building connections. I'm building systems in order to steadily grow at such a steady pace. But it gets higher and higher as the days and weeks pass on, that it's going to be so steady that it cannot crash down. For my business, I built skills to learn and to build the numbers I'm doing now. For my community, I built connections and trust and loyalty with my people that there's no way that it can just start crumbling down in a day. Where everyone else, when you just get everything so easily for you, easy comes, easy goes. And so many people don't want to keep pushing through. So many people are tired or they want to give up. And you know what? If you want to give up, go ahead. I'm not here to tell you don't. But you're never going to be the one that... You're never going to be the person that you always dreamt of if you give up. You're going to end up on your deathbed regretting every single life decision you've made because you've given up. And that's something that I can't even teach you. That's something I can't even force you to do. You're just going to experience that. And that's one thing that's kept me going, is that understanding that if I give up, I will live my life by the end of on my deathbed with regret. And it sends shivers down my spine for how much that scares the living crap out of me. To know that I was given such a short period of time on this planet and I didn't give it my all. Only because I listened to other people who don't even give a fuck about me, or who are not worth it, or who are completely irrelevant and are just irrelevant like me. They were on this earth for such a short period of time. I look back and it makes me kind of emotional to see like how every single fucking day I showed up with no fucking results, like 0, 0, 0. And I just kept pushing through. And now that the results are just starting to come in, it's kind of like a breath of fresh air. Like, holy shit, it was fucking worth it. And it's just going to keep going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And I'm going to get more comments saying like, I always believe in you. All this. But I know that when I was in the fucking trenches, when I was alone, like how I am now, I didn't have these numbers in front of my screen. I had 0 constantly. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But I said, you know what? Let me go to bed, wake up tomorrow, and try again. There's not a lot of people that have that tenacity to keep pushing through, but that's what makes us exceptional. It's not some secret sauce. It's not some secret skill or some given gift. It's just a simple fact that you show up every fucking day, no matter the results and no matter how you feel, with no distractions. I really wanted to make this video for people that are struggling out there, and you have to understand that we all are going through this. You know, a lot of these successful people on the internet right now don't talk about this or don't show you this. They don't show you the behind the scenes. They show you only the success. And in your head, you think that it was quick for them, easy for them. But they ended up grinding every day with no results, just like how you're doing. But they just did it for a long enough time to start seeing results. Some people don't know that. And that's what demoralizes themselves, because it's like, well, is it going to work? Is it ever going to work? Am I putting effort for no fucking reason? But let me fucking tell you right now. As my whole goal for this channel was to just prove to you live, to prove to you in front of your fucking face, for people who've been watching, who've been watching me from day fucking one, absolutely talking out of my ass, explaining how I'm going to hit these goals and hit that goals. And now they're coming into place. I've always said it, 100K by the end of the year. And I made 25K in under 2 weeks. At this pace, I'm going to hit it. And I had to go through from January all the way to fucking November with little results, and keep believing and keep knowing that by the end of the year, I'll hit 100K. And it's by the fucking second last month, last minute, where everything starts fucking falling into place. But the whole time, I had to show up every day. If I didn't show up every day, this would have not happened. We can put it to God and say that God's timing is perfect. I get that. But it's also that the energy, the discipline, the tenacity that God gave me to show up every fucking day made this possible. This wouldn't have been possible from January to November if I didn't show up every fucking day, failing constantly every fucking day, having people on my ears behind me saying, don't drop out of school, don't do what you're doing, keep going on a school path, keep doing this, what you're doing is shit, what you're doing is not working, what you're doing is stupid. I've had people end relationships with me because of this. I've had people or girls who say who don't talk to me anymore because they want someone who's in school and has a stable job. I've had family members who made comments. I've had friends who kind of laugh. Everything. I went through it from January to fucking November, and now all of a sudden it falls into place. And now a lot of people might see me and say, "Oh, this kid, just like everyone else, like it came fast." No. And that's why I recorded every fucking day, to prove to you, no, it did not come fast. It did not come fast at all. I showed up every fucking day. I recorded it for proof. Use me as an example. I want to lead as an example, by example, to show and prove to you that just showing up every day is the answer to your problems. Not some secret sauce, not some secret advice that's being hidden from all the successful people. No. It's literally just showing up every single fucking day, because you will not miss a lucky day. And it's all a matter of just starting. Blocking out all the noise and just focusing. Keep going. Keep doing it. Yeah, you'll have bad days. You'll have distractions. It doesn't matter. You can fall. You can stumble. You can do whatever the fuck you want. It's all about if you get back up. I hope you find some motivation for you if you're dealing with anything, because I promise you, like, I would have needed this advice when I was struggling in the earlier year, and it's all it takes to show up every day. And there's no break. There's no break where I'm starting to make money and I say, "Oh, kick up my feet." I even press on the gas even harder. There's work for me every day. I'm tired, but you know what? It doesn't fucking matter, because the fulfillment that I get, the feeling that I get from kind of getting closer to my purpose overcomes any tiredness. And people call me crazy. I've had people saying like, you're working. I've been working extra long hours in the last month, and people are saying, why are you still working? Why are you working so hard? Don't you ever take a break? No. They will never understand us. They will never. But eventually, when we've made it to the top, they're going to be the one asking how. And in their mind, they'll never grasp all the fucking long hours, lonely nights, years of fucking focusing, sacrificing. They won't grasp it. But that's fine. It doesn't matter. You did your job. Anyways, I hope this put some fire up your ass. Because there's a month left in the year. A lot can happen in a month. Look, a lot happened to me in under 2 weeks, so keep pushing. Give it your all. It's all you need to do. I'll see you at the fucking top.